Hi there and welcome. We're back with an updated look at Coral, a new neighborhood of three-story paired townhomes currently under construction by Lennar in the FivePoint Valencia MLS area of Santa Clarita. While it's similar to our earlier video, this updated version includes new aerial footage along with a first look inside the model homes. Coral is located just north of Magic Mountain Parkway, west of Navigation Avenue, and close to Six Flags Magic Mountain. This presentation is brought to you by your local real estate professionals, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. For those new to the area, Coral will look and feel much like the other nearby neighborhoods, modern, well-kept, and surprisingly quiet despite the close layout of the homes. Coral offers a collection of three-story townhomes designed for low-maintenance living. Floor plans range from approximately 1,326 to 1,750 square feet, with 2 to 3 bedrooms up to 3.5 bathrooms, private decks, and either a tandem or standard 2-car garage. Some homes also include a porch. Now that the models are open, let's take a look inside. On the second floor, you'll find the main living space with an open concept design that combines the living room, dining area, and kitchen. This level also includes a half bathroom and a small deck. Upstairs on the third floor, each plan includes the primary bedroom with its own bathroom, along with secondary bedrooms, additional bathrooms, and a laundry room or closet. In some homes, the primary bedroom also has its own deck. The first floor varies depending on the plan. In the smallest model, it's mainly an entryway with a door to the garage. The larger plans also include an entryway and the garage access, along with a den, office, or extra bedroom with a full bathroom. Just like in other neighborhoods in this area, Coral residents will enjoy the great amenities at Confluence Park, plus several nearby parks and a community garden. And right along the south edge of the neighborhood, the trail system provides easy access to miles of jogging and biking paths. Yes, there will be monthly HOA fees and an annual Mello Roos. To see current listings and learn more about schools and local conveniences, click the link in the description to visit GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. While you're there, you'll also find video tours and guides for nearly every neighborhood in Santa Clarita. And before you visit or register with the builder, be sure to contact us first. That way, we can represent you from the very beginning and help protect your best interests every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and if you need help buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to reach out. And remember, when you work with us, there's never any sales pressure, ever. See you in the next one. Bye now.